Do you like me? Do you really like me? I hope you like me. Because it's easier to do business with people whom you like. Likeability is one of the 6 shortcuts we use mentally when we're trying to decide whom to do business with. Because if we like somebody, then there's a good chance that we're going to get on in doing business. So how does that translate into business, and how certainly does that translate into your copywriting? It's a factor of your tone of voice, for instance. You want to think about what is the tone of voice that my clients are going to respond to. Now, it might be that that's a really friendly, chipper tone, a Virgin kind of tone, Virgin Airways, for instance, kind of tone. Or it might be much more formal, because if you write to the wrong people in the wrong tone, they're not going to like you. So it's not the same tone for everybody, which is why it's always worth asking yourself the question, what is my corporate tone of voice? But then likability also comes with things like frequency. The more frequently we see somebody, the more we're going to like them. It just happens. It's a psychologically proven fact. If you get on the bus at the same time every morning with the same people, it doesn't matter whether you speak to them, you will start to like them. I mean, of course, with some exceptions, but generally you'll start to like them. So what does that mean for your communications? How frequently are you getting in front of your customers? Too frequently, of course, and people won't like you. But the right level of frequency builds that relationship. So your copywriting challenge now is to think about, what am I doing with my messaging, with my website, with my email newsletters, with my Facebook page to increase my likability? Now, I know that might sound trite or trivial. Do I need to be likable? Isn't it enough just to be an expert or to be good? Well, the answer is no, it isn't. It helps to be likable. If you want to grow your business, think about how your business can project itself more likably.